Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unapplied cash payment income and expenses in QuickBooks Online. This issue occurs when payments aren't properly linked to their corresponding invoices or bills, causing them to show up as separate line items on your profit and loss report instead of being applied to the correct transactions. To get started, head over to the left menu and click on Reports. This is your hub for viewing all financial data in QuickBooks. Once you're in the Reports section, use the search bar to type in profit and loss, then click on the profit and loss report when it appears. This report gives you a complete overview of your income and expenses for any given period. Now you'll need to adjust the report settings. Select your desired report period at the top, then make sure to set the accounting method to cash. This is important because it ensures you're viewing transactions based on when money actually changed hands, which is where unapplied payments will show up. Scan through your profit and loss report and look for lines labeled unapplied cash payment income or unapplied cash bill payment expense. These lines are red flags indicating payments that haven't been matched to their proper invoices or bills. When you spot them, click directly on the dollar amount. This action will drill down into the transaction details, showing you exactly which payments are causing the issue. You'll now see a list of all the payments or bill payments that are sitting in these unapplied accounts. Click on the specific payment entry you need to fix. This opens the payment record so you can make the necessary corrections. Here's where you need to do some detective work. Check if a matching invoice or bill exists for the same customer or vendor. Sometimes the issue is simply that the payment date comes before the invoice date, which QuickBooks doesn't allow. If that's the case, edit the payment date so it matches or comes after the invoice or bill date. If there's no invoice or bill at all, you'll need to create one to match the payment. Scroll down to the section labeled Outstanding Transactions. This is where you'll see all open invoices or bills for that customer or vendor. Find the correct one and check the box next to it to apply the payment. This links the payment to its proper transaction, removing it from the unapplied category. Finally, click Save and Close to update the transaction. The payment will now be properly applied, and those unapplied cash payment lines will disappear from your profit and loss report, giving you accurate financial statements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.